Financial Action Task Force regulations, right? So foreign exchange and remittance exists in Jamaica, and this is where you have X amount of money from a particular country like the United States, and you take it to Jamaica and you want to exchange it. So you can remit this money or you can exchange it at the spread rate. So depending on the rate of the market at a particular time, you may have those remittance services available for you. And this is also controlled by the Bank of Jamaica. And when we talk about remittance, we are also talking about money that comes from another country into the country, that there is remittance. All right, so people sending money from another country into your country, and that there is basically how the country gets to get some taxation, and also how the country gets to benefit, whether adversely or otherwise, from the change